Good morning, everyone. Good morning, my respected seniors and my colleagues. Myself, Dr. Amrita Bhadoria, and I have come from Chhattisgarh. I have completed my MBBS and MD from Wardha, Maharashtra, and presently I am working in Chhattisgarh. I have my own private hospital. So I get to know about this DMAS course at Samasti from the internet, and then I contacted Ms. Shelja. And previously I was coming for FMAS course only, but she persuaded me to complete the whole DMAS and hysteroscopy. So that was the best thing that happened. So first I would like to express my thanks to Dr. J.S. Chauhan sir, Dr. Alka ma'am, all the other mentors, and all the team who is involved in this inspirational training. And I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. J.S. Chauhan sir, because sir, your teaching is truly exceptional, and your calm nature, your humility and patience and attention to every detail make this training, I think, very comfortable and easy for all of us. And as I have been lost the touch from theory for a long time, so sir never made me hesitant to even ask small questions. And he make everything he taught us with so much clarity and precision that even the small things felt easily achievable. Difficult things felt easily achievable. And because I was a little intimidated about this course about laparoscopic surgeries, so under sir's guidance, I think I have understood them with the confidence. And I think this confidence is the one of the biggest thing which I'm going to take back home along with my DMAS degree. So thank you, sir. And then I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Dr. Alka ma'am, because of course what sir taught me downstairs, ma'am was the only one who was guiding me in the OT. And whatever ma'am taught me is obviously very invaluable for me. And ma'am, step by step, whatever she told me in the OT, and she guided me, and all the surgeries which I have assisted with the ma'am, obviously they are going to make a very huge difference in my learning and as well as my practice in the future. And then I would like to say some words about my Samasti lab trainers like Renu Santoshi and of course Shelja, because being away from home was very difficult for me, but it was not easy. But they made me feel very warm and welcoming here, and the way they took care of each and every activity in my day-to-day life here was very, I mean, very kind, with so much patience and kindness. Really meant a lot to me. And OT team was also very good, like Richa sister, Hina sister, Bhavna sister, and Shiv Bhaiya, Dilip, all were very good to me, and they continuously kept my morale high in the OT whenever I felt nervous or anything, I mean, down a little bit. So they kept me motivated with their cooperative attitude. And so last, what I felt, why Samasti is different and special from all the other training institutes, because obviously the academics is great here and there is a good surgical exposure, but the amount of dedication, discipline and knowledge they are imparting here is incredible. But what from my point of view, the guidance, the encouragement and the teamwork is brilliant here. So I feel very honored to have completed my DMAS from Samasti, Delhi. And thank you once again for your teaching, for your guidance and for your kindness especially. Thank you.